Managing your money and understanding money flow can seem overwhelming at first, but breaking it down into smaller, easier-to-understand parts can help you grasp the concepts more effectively. You are watching Journey to Greatness, and this is how to manage your money. Income and expenses. Think of your finances as a bucket that fills up with water, income, and empties out through holes, expenses. Your income represents the water flowing into the bucket, while your expenses represent the leaks or holes through which the water drains. The goal is to ensure that your income exceeds your expenses so your bucket stays full or even grows. Budgeting. Budgeting is like creating a roadmap for your money. Imagine you're planning a road trip. You have a fixed amount of money, your income, and various destinations or things you want to do, your expenses. By setting a budget, you allocate specific amounts of money to different categories, such as housing, transportation, food, entertainment, and savings. This helps you prioritize your spending and ensure you have enough for each aspect of your life. Saving money is similar to collecting rainwater in a jar for future use. Whenever you receive income, you put a portion of it into your savings jar. The more you save, the bigger your jar grows. Saving money provides a safety net for unexpected expenses and helps you achieve long-term financial goals like buying a house or retiring comfortably. Debt management. Imagine you're climbing a mountain and the weight of your debt is holding you back. Managing your debt is like gradually lightening your load to make the climb easier. Start by prioritizing high-interest debts, such as credit cards, which are like heavy rocks on your back. Develop a plan to pay them off strategically, either by focusing on one debt at a time, snowball method, or by tackling the most expensive ones first, avalanche method. Investing. Investing is like planting seeds in a garden. When you invest, you're using your money to purchase assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate with the hope that they will grow in value over time. Just as plants need water, sunlight, and care, investments require patience, research, and diversification. By investing wisely, you give your money the potential to multiply and generate returns. Emergency funds. Think of an emergency fund as an umbrella to protect you from unexpected storms. Life is full of surprises, such as job loss, medical emergencies, or car repairs. An emergency fund is a pool of money set aside specifically to handle these unforeseen events. Having an emergency fund ensures you don't have to drain your savings or go into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Tracking and monitoring. Tracking your finances is like keeping a journal of your money habits. Just as a fitness tracker helps you monitor your physical activity and progress, financial tracking tools or spreadsheets allow you to monitor your income, expenses, savings, and debts. By regularly reviewing your financial habits, you can identify areas for improvement and make informed decisions to optimize your money flow. Remember, managing your money is a lifelong journey, and it's okay to start small. By understanding these simplified parts and incorporating good financial habits into your daily life, you'll gain more control over your money and build a stronger financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button below. And if you want more insightful content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel.